Hello everybody, welcome again to the ETABS and SAFE course. And the last lecture we have been finishing from modeling our structure and define all loads and take into consideration all the conditions. Now we must check our model if we have an error. So we select all the structure. We can select it from this option, select all, and we can clear the selection from this option. So we select all the structure, we go to analysis and check model. We check all this option without these two option, and we put the tolerance about 50 millimeter. Then we press OK. Now the ETABS check our model. If we have an error, the ETABS will tell us. The ETABS finish from checking the model. The result model has been checked, no warning message were generated. Thank you for listening. We will continue in the next